Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then my name is Shetty, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a Flipkart Salwar suit unboxing. And guys, this is the first time I ordered Salwar suit from Flipkart, and I was really very skeptical while ordering this. I've got my parcel today, so without any further ado, let's get started. Let's see how the product is. So it came in this Flipkart baggage. This is how it looks. I need not explain about the baggage. They have the standard Flipkart packaging. So let me just open this in this Ziploc baggage, which is a good thing. And let's just open this up. The baggage looks absolutely fine. This is how it looks, and it is called Swaron Georgette Embroidered semi-stitched Salwar suit, and it is semi-stitched, guys. So there was color options as well. In the description it was written as it's from the brand Swaron collections, but the package I got is Sarah. The brand name here is Sarah, so I'm a little confused about it. So first of all, let's see the kurta top. This is how it looks, and it has this kind of a collared neck, which has like red, white, golden and green colored embroidery with rhinestones attached. Now it looks nice, not very neat, but really nice. I'll give a very close-up picture of this so that you can see. And the material looks like Georgette. It is really nice quality Georgette, what I feel, and there is inner lining attached as well. This is inner lining attached, and when you see the bottom part of the kurti, you can just see this embroidery detailing. Again, here we have a red floral design with golden thread designs as well, and there is this golden or goldenish lace. The design looks really nice and neat. Again, the stitching is fine. Everything is really nice. And for the slip part, they have provided this embroidery design with the lace work as well. It's really very beautiful. Again, the embroidery is very nice. You can actually keep like slip till here. Again guys, I'm going to give a very close-up picture of this. The work is very neat. It's a different design, but it has this floral and leaves kind of a structure going on. And this is the border for your sleeves, which again is very beautiful, very simple and nice. And about the length, guys, there is almost 2.4 meter of cloth for your kurta, and this might fit up to 42 to 44 inch of bust size. You have enough material here. Next, coming to the very beautiful part of the whole suit, I have purchased this Salwar suit only because of this. It's the jacket, and it has this floral embroidery and golden embroidery work going on. It has, and there is this golden come silver kind of piping, which I don't feel is of a great quality. And the fabric here is Dupatta, but I would not tell this is one of the best fabric, because it is a little stiff. Maybe once you get it washed, it might be fine, but for now it's a little stiff. And it comes with this extra piping thing for your sleeve part. So guys, I'll give a very close-up picture of this. It can fit up to bust of 42 inches to 44 max, and the back is very plain. Now coming to the bottom part, it is this plain black fabric for your pant, and it is really soft. The material was written as santoon. I am not sure if I pronounced it right, and it's really very nice fabric, very soft. And it comes with an extra fabric here for the pant, and they have given this design or embroidery design. It's exactly like the ones the kurta sleeves had. So this is the embroidery design, and it is going to look like this if you stitch it exactly like how it's shown. And it has this floral and goldenish embroidery detail going on, which is really very nice and clean. You can just see there are like no threads hanging here and there, and the work is really very neat. And about the length, there is almost 2.5 meter of fabric, which is a really nice length of fabric for a pant. Now coming to the dupatta part, guys, this is the dupatta. This is how it's going to look. It is kind of pinkish peach color. I'm not sure if my camera is focusing the exact color. And it has this black border with the kind of goldenish lining or lace detailing here. Again, the fabric is really very soft. In the description it was written as Nazneen fabric. It looks like a very good quality dupatta fabric. Even the border lace is of a good quality. The stitching is nice. And about the length, it's around 2.25 meters of fabric, which is enough for an adult to wear this. And that's it, guys. Next, coming to the price. The original price was 7,500 and the offer price was 2,159, and I'm going to link it in my description box. You guys can check it out if you want. I really like the product. The embroidery is very, very nice. The fabric is nice. The dupatta is nice. There is enough material, and that's the reason I would like to rate it 4 stars. That's it, guys. I hope you liked my review. If you did, do comment and tell me. And if you've not subscribed to my channel and liked what you saw, do subscribe, share this video, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye, take care.